Welcome WBB Stars. Please follow me. My name is Charles and I represent the restaurant K, the chef Kei Kobayashi. Please follow me. The restaurant opened since 7 years ago and Chef K is from Nagano. The room of the restaurant accepts 30 seats with 12 tables, and we try to have really in time and really present spirits, have the same elegant cuisine with the elegancy of the waiters, and the cuisine of the chef is really not rich. We try to open the quality of the flavors and just the flavors. Is not rich cuisine, you don't have too much cream or butter. What's most important for K is the flavors and the quality of the product. And we have just surprising menu. You have no cart, but the spirit is to serve some dishes you not choose a la carte, and finally you love it. You have always 3 surprising menu and all around the seafood, but with always a meat only for the main, and you have to choose this meat between different proposition. First proposition, the classical preparation of K, the pigeon roasted and glazed with miso. For me, it's a good representation of the spirit of the chef because it's traditional French cooking, and at the end, the glazed with miso, of course, remembers Japanese origin of the chef, and is really good combination with the pigeon. So we have for the lunch, for example, the lunch menu at 58 euros with 3 starters plus the main plus the dessert. And then you have the tasting menu with 5 starters plus the main, cheese and 2 desserts at 125 euros. And the prestige menu with the same number of dishes as the tasting menu, but with some different dishes. For example, the Galicia beef. Actually, what is interesting with this beef is the maturation is 6 months of maturation, 170 days. It's really rare, and it may be really exceptional flavors. And with this prestige menu, you have 2 starters around the Shrenki caviar, crystal caviars from the Love River, the border between China and Siberia. The particularity of this caviar is really not salted. And 1 starter is prepared with some crab meat with yuzu lemon, the smoked eel fish jelly and watercress juice. And the second starter with some blue lobster with the bisque de homard, with the Bloody Mary bisque and Shrenki caviar. I hope to see you soon in the restaurant K.